My name's Aiden.
Aiden, nice to meet you, man. You have a really well put together outfit. What would you say your activity is for when you're dressing like this? Is it just a casual, or is it what are you going for? Is this?
I always do comfort first, even if it is a really well put together outfit. I still make sure it's comfy, or else I just won't wear it. I'll lead more to like baggier type things. I also like how it fits around my body too. I like how it looks. I like how my body actually feels the outfits as well. This monochromatic fit. Excuse the socks.
Is there like a celeb you're trying to follow? Does somebody help you with your styling, or comfort is the biggest thing, or what is it? What kind of things do you think about, or you don't follow a lot of?
I don't really follow that many people or things. I kind of like have an idea in my head. I'll always start off with my pants first. So from my pants, I work my way up and then also down.
No, I get that. Are you big on accessories? Do you play with accessories?
I actually forgot to put mine on, but I always have at least a bracelet, a necklace, and then I have a ring. I forgot to put those on because we're about to go out to a little pub.
Nah, no worries at all, man.
But I don't know. I really love Cube Link chains or bracelets.
All right.
And then I would say follow my Instagram. I'm a photographer.
That's fine. I'll put it in the link. We'll wrap it there, man. Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.